Hey everybody, welcome back. In this episode, we finally got it started on putting some gravel down for our driveway. We had to go through and get the tractor out and level up a bunch of stuff, and we got a lot of gravel delivered. Hope you guys enjoy. After getting the initial gravel dropped, we had to go through and level it out, smooth it out, and spread it where we wanted it to go. After we got our first delivery of gravel smoothed out, we went through and packed it down a little and then started working on prepping the rest of it. This means that we had to take and smooth out the highs and the lows and get stuff scraped down so that everything would be level. And even if the load doesn't get delivered exactly how you want it, you can still make it work. So after a bunch of hard work and a bunch of trips getting gravel, we finally got it all squared away, got it all straightened out, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us getting our driveway put in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us for the next adventure on our list.